Hi everyone, my name is Kurt and I'm here to teach you how to make a water sensor in Arduino. So here's our materials: breadboard, Arduino Uno, water sensors, resistors, LEDs, wires, also cable wires. This is all you need to make the water sensor. So, how about we get started then? First, you'll set up everything in the breadboard. In the breadboard, you need to connect LEDs which lights for our water sensors. We have three types of colors of LEDs which are green, red, and yellow. Next, for our wiring, it needs to be connected on a specific spot where you connect the LEDs. In the first wire, you need to connect the wire on the positive LEDs, which is metal nails is longer. Move the wire in the one space below and connect it. Then, connect the resistor on the top left on the first wire you place. Then, for our second wire, place it below on the negative resistor. Next, in the other sides of the first wire you place, connect it on the Arduino Uno. Then connect it on number 2. Also, in this setup is all the same method in the other LEDs. But it's not the same on the first wire for each LEDs where you connect all numbers on Arduino Uno. In the red LED, it's connected on number 4, and on yellow, it's connected on number 7. Then, get another wire and connect it on bottom right side. And connect the other sides of the wire on ground in Arduino, which is spelled in Arduino G and D. With that, the first step is finished. This is the results. For our next step is the water sensor. Here we got the positive wire and negative wire. Positive wire has a metal pin and the negative wire has a hole.
In how I said that, it sounds kinda sus. Anyways.
Of these wires, connect it on each other. We did this because the water sensor has metal pins. You can't connect it on the same pins. That's why we need a negative wire so that we can connect on each others. Then, on water sensor, as you can see, it has 3 symbols below the pins which are S, plus, minus. First, how about you use this method that you can't forget where you connect these 3. First, in the plus signs, connect it on Arduino Uno on the 5B. Next, on negative sign, connect it on GND, means ground. Then, on S sign, connect it on A0. This is what it looks like when it's finished. Then for the buzzer, a buzzer is only for sensor sound. It will beep when checking its water level. Just place the buzzer on the breadboard where it has space. Then get another wire and connect the wire on below the positive pin of the buzzer. You can see it because it has the plus sign on the top of the buzzer. Then connect the wire below of the where the positive pin is. Then connect the other side of the wire in number 8. Next, get another wire. Connect it on the other side where negative pin is. Then, connect the other side on G and D, means ground. With that, everything's are finished. Here's are the results. Now, for make it work, we need a code on computer app named Arduino IDE. So, here's our code. First, I'll explain the first row and the second row. In the code, it says define sensor power 7 and sensor pin A0. This will order to make the LEDs get power on Arduino. Next, the int ball equals 0 and int buzzer equals 8. This will just integer to where you connect the wire of the buzzer. Next, on the void setup. Here, you can code the LEDs to have power when it's scanning the water level. Next, on the void loop. This setup is for the reading sensor. Here you can code if the power level is low or high or even critical. Next, on row of 49 to 52, that's a code for a buzzer. As you can see in the code is tone parenthesis buzzer comma is 2000 in parenthesis. That code is for how loud the sound is. Then on delay parenthesis 1000 parenthesis, as the name suggested, it delays the sounds in 1 second. And then it'll beep again. Then in no tone parenthesis buzzer parenthesis, in this code is for to stop the sound. And the delay parenthesis 1000 parenthesis, it'll delay the no sounds in 1 second. Next, in the int read sensor is for to see the serial monitor the results where it keeps scanning the water level. If you keep merging the sensors on water, and it'll keep scanning the water level non-stop. With that, you've finished your code. Now let's try our water sensor. Okay, I will try to merge the sensor in the water. As you can hear the buzzer, the code is working. And here, you can see in the serial monitor where if the water level is low or high or critical. And that's how you make the water sensor. And thank you. Bye.